There are two 24 CR 1632 files I'm looking at, two separate files. Second degree felonies of assault on a peace officer. Somehow the state has figured out a way to make more numbers by using the same event.
I only have one, Judge.
This is
We only are pleading tools.
this weird. Hey, Lance, what do we do with this?
Huh?
I got two duplicates. What do I do?
Just have to separate file that one don't want. It's just one file.
So which one do I use?
Either one, doesn't matter.
What do I do with the other ones?
We'll fix it. We'll fix it. We'll come out, Judge. So you know how expensive files are?
See how we did it? We took care of that.
We don't throw this.
Well, that's, you don't have a problem with that, do you? No, I don't know why that is. That's all we need is duplication. 24 CR 1632 is called Darren Peace. Mr. Kelly is your attorney, correct? Mr. Kelly is your attorney, but Mr. Jeffries is here in lieu of that.
Yes, sir.
He works with him on cases, and do you have any objection to him standing in?
No, sir.
Okay. Does the defendant in this case who's charged with the second degree felony of assault on a peace officer waive a formal reading of the indictment and arraignment? Can we proceed in summers?
Yes, Your Honor.
In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about July 7th, 2024 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the second degree felony of assault on a peace officer. Do you understand what you are charged with here, sir?
Yes, sir.
This is a second degree felony, which means if convicted, you face a term of not more than 20 years or less than 2 years in prison. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
It worries. My staff's behind me. We're working together, talking. I got a wife and children at home. Yeah, I get worried about that when they start pulling that. Figure out. You're inspiring.
I mean, this one's definitely in God's favor.
An agreement has been reached, sir, in your case here, you were looking at, if convicted, no less than 2 nor more than 20 years confinement in prison and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. And an agreement has been reached that you would be pleading guilty, not found guilty, placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation, which can be up to 10 years in length. Do you understand that to be the plan?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to this charge, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will because you are guilty.
Yes, sir.
Let me show you what's marked as States Exhibit 1 here. Did you sign that document? Understand it? Discuss it with your attorney, or the contents all true? States Exhibit 1 tendered into evidence, without objection, it's admitted. Among other things, to state you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been given to you. You've read it. You are guilty of the crime charged and any lesser included offenses. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. Totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All true, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
States Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record for all purposes. Pre-sentence report is waived here.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to follow this agreement with nothing further. I'm going to find you are pleading guilty voluntarily. If you are mentally competent to do so, you understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty.
Yes, sir.
There's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt in this case. But I'm going to defer any finding of guilt and place you on deferred or unadjudicated probation. There will be terms and conditions of probation which are normal and customary for this type of offense. Stand by. You will be placed on probation here for 10 years. You do well, it can be shortened to 1/3 of that. Do you understand?
Yes.
There was a, you just can't strike at police officers like that in the face when they're doing their job. Among the other terms and conditions of probation, there will be anger management, which is probably a good thing for a lot of people. That'll help you controlling your emotions when there are important decisions that have to be made. Anything else? Please see the probation officer. That is all. Thank you.
This